everyone. I'm just trying out a new app here, so do me a favor and let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Do you like it? Should I keep using it type thing? I'd really appreciate it. It would really help me out a lot, so thanks.
Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday. I'm not sure of the exact date, August the 20th, 21st. But yeah, I'm at the Oasis campground. I'm standing under the pavilion right beside my, or the gazebo, whatever you want to call it, right beside my campground or my campsite. Just camped over there. I'm under here because it's really wet out this morning, so I thought I'd come in here and make my food and get my bags prepared where it's not all soaked. So anyways, I'm going to have my coffee and a little oatmeal, and we are going to get going, heading for Port Hastings this morning, and then we'll see what happens once we get there. Alright guys, I am all packed up and ready to head out on this beautiful Sunday morning. We'll be into Cape Breton later on this morning, so I'm pretty excited to see that and get on this Celtic Shores Trail as well and get off these crazy highways. So I will be on the highway all day today. I've looked, I cannot find any rail trails or anything to kind of ease the pain once in a while. So anyways guys, let's hit the road. Guys, I got to jump back on the highway, and I guess I was making better time than I thought I was because I missed my exit. So we are doing some bushwhacking here. Kind of don't want to get off the bike, but I'm not really sure where I'm going either. So the reason I don't want to get off and walk is because everything's soaked. But I think I can swing around. I'm pretty sure ATVs have been probably coming down here. And I'll just go up to the left. I saw from the overpass over there that the guardrail ends there. This is where having the 1120 really does come in handy, right? Shouldn't have to get off the bike here. Just make sure I'm in the right gear. There we go. And just just like that, we will be back on track. I wanted to take the secondary highway, but it does a lot of meandering, which I don't always hate, but okay, I gotta be careful here. Very loose surface. All right, that was kind of fun. I like that little detour actually, except I added a climb in. Dropping down into a valley. Alright, I think there might be a Tim Hortons here. I just saw this dirt trail, so I thought I'd jump on it. Had a pretty tough day on the bike yesterday. My legs are feeling not too bad. My butt is a bit sore though. I did get new shorts. It's taking time for everybody to get acquainted with each other, if you know what I mean. Oh, I've been to this, oh my god, deja vu all over the place. I was at this gas station last year too. Maybe I'll grab some video from the other one and kind of show you both. Wow, I just had like the craziest deja vu when I looked at it. Probably better off to go on the road. Nothing adventurous about bombing down into a gas station. I don't think that Tim Hortons is open yet, but they have coffee at the travel center. I'll check, but alright guys, as I was saying on the way down, I stopped at this Bayside Travel Center last year on my trip across Canada, so pretty cool. I didn't realize it until I was coming down and had that deja vu moment. So yeah, anyways, I am going to get going and get myself into Cape Breton. I gotta climb up this nasty little hill on the way out though, so wish me luck. Alright guys, I just pulled off the highway here. A little bit of an adventure, I guess. I wanted to come and take a picture of this beaver dam. Problem is, I don't have anywhere to put my bike now. Alright, I did something with my bike I don't like to do. I lied it down, but I took the one side pannier right off just to make it easier. But yeah, I really did all that just so I could come down here to look at this. Got a little beaver action here. Let's see if I can get up here. I guess that was a lot of work for little payout for some, but so yeah, they got a big dam up there. It's got that whole area flooded out, but they're definitely controlling the water levels here. Very cool. Yeah, I just thought I'd come down here and check it out, get off the road a bit, but probably a little more work than I should have put in. But anyways, that's all part of the adventure, right? I'm gonna get a couple photos here for sure and get back at it.
we're headed for a place called the Cove Motel. I stayed here last year on the Cross Canada trip, but I'll explain a little more in a bit why we're headed here. I wasn't planning this, but I'm having some really crazy cramping in my legs, mainly my left leg. I've never experienced anything like this on the bike before, so I should have called. I'm really hoping they have a room. It's Sunday, so I'm hoping, you know, people are going home after the weekend and all that, but they do have a restaurant here, so I can get something to eat. It is just a little bit of a hike to get in here, that's all. Alright guys, well, things didn't work out quite the way I hoped here. They are completely full for the next few days, but I did find a place, and yeah, I really do need to get a room. This cramping I'm having is really bad. I've only got 7 kilometers to go to get to this room, but I am hurting, so it's going to be a tough 7K. I had something to eat and drank some water at this. They have a good restaurant here at the Cove. If you're heading out this way, the Cove restaurant is good food, and the prices are quite reasonable actually. So anyways, this is where I stayed last year on my Cross Canada trip, as I mentioned. So yeah, good spot, reasonable priced if you are looking for a room and they're not full. I'm gonna get going, get to this hotel. I still can't check in till 3, but I'd rather get there and then sit around there than be suffering on the side of the highway. Almost to where we're going. Hearthstone Motel, I believe it is called. Nice little lookout here. Get a shot and we'll be on our way.
So guys, by the time I got to my room, the cramps in my legs really had taken their toll, and I was quite exhausted. I really wasn't up for doing a close, so I didn't do one. But all in all, it was a good day's riding, all things considered, really. Heading into Cape Breton is absolutely stunning, and just a prelude to what we're going to get into in the next video when I get on to the Celtic Shores Trail. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you could do so. If you want to check out my Patreon, there is a link in the descriptions below. Take care, guys. See you in the next one.